Hi. So today we're going to be talking about direct object pronouns, indirect object pronouns, and direct and indirect object pronouns together. So let's get started. So just as a review, if you look at the chart here where you have the personal pronouns, right? Here you have the corresponding direct object pronouns. So for yo es me, tú, te, él, ella, usted. If it is masculine, it will be lo, and if it is feminine, it will be la. For nosotros is nos, and ellos, ellas, ustedes, depending if it is masculine, los, and if it is feminine, you would use las. A direct object is a noun or pronoun that receives the action of a verb in a sentence. It answers the question what or whom about the verb, okay? So for example, I'm going to give you rule number one, which would be when there is only one conjugated verb, the direct object pronoun always, no matter what, goes in front of the verb. So let's take a look at this sentence here. I drink coffee. I drink what? Coffee. Therefore, coffee is my direct object. So, if I want to say this in Spanish, it will be yo tomo café. Yo tomo qué? Café. So, café becomes my direct object. Café is masculine, singular, therefore it is lo. So, as the rule says, you have to put it in front of the conjugated verb. So in order to say I drink it, in Spanish, you would have to say yo lo tomo. So let's say that we have the sentence, they wash the cars. They wash what? The cars. Ellos lavan los carros. Ellos lavan ¿qué? Los carros. Los carros is masculine, plural. So, ellos los lavan. Then, rule number two. When you have a compound tense, that is when you have going to plus infinitive, must plus infinitive, must go, must study, have to plus infinitive, etc., the direct object pronoun can go in front of the verb or it can be attached to the second one, like the infinitive or the present participle. For example, this is a compound tense. I am going to drink coffee. I'm going to drink what? Coffee. Okay, so voy a tomar café. We know that the direct object pronoun for coffee is lo, right? So what I can do is put it in front of the verb and say lo voy a tomar, or I can attach it to the second one, which will be the infinitive. Voy a tomarlo. Okay? Now, let's say that we're using they do not want to wash the cars. Ellos no quieren lavar los carros. They don't want to wash what? The cars. No quieren lavar los carros. Ellos no los quieren lavar before the main verb, right? Or attached to the second one. Ellos no quieren lavar los. Have another example here. She's writing the letter. Ella está escribiendo ¿qué? La carta. Ella la está escribiendo or ella está escribiéndola. Now, escribiendo, okay, it's already a long word and you are attaching an extra syllable. So you need to put an accent mark right here where you hear the strongest syllable. Okay, so when I say escribiendo, endo will be where I would normally put my accent mark because it's the strongest syllable in the sentence, okay? Or what we call la sílaba tónica. I hope this helps. In the next video, I'm going to explain the indirect object pronoun.